ngasi oiba tongan tongan ba page kharagi posing collection tawbagi manungda idu ningthau hairiba page asigi post ama khak lakwat charaga ahan boina miyam da kodol tamjagi amadi video asibu meng tabiri ba punamupu taramna ok chabaga loinana loktak mapau updates ki mekaidagi ikai khumna butchari why Ajit Dobel went to Beijing when Manipur crisis left in the lurch. Modi government ki strategic player asi ahan bada Jai Shankar external affairs minister amadi Anisubada Ajit Dobel National Security Advisor ni Jai Shankar na ki strategic policy planner aduga Ajit Dobel buna trouble shooter tactical move ki thabak ayamba taholi Parliament member sing hanglakpa wang sangi pakhumda Jai Shankar na asumna hai ahanbada Bangladesh was giving support to northeast insurgent groups till 2040. However, India offering $10 billion investment project and $5 billion loan to Bangladesh. Anisubada India offer open regime policy to Myanmar, but Myanmar hosting northeast insurgent groups angakpa pakhumni hairi Bangladesh na northeast insurgent groups sing da 2040 fawba mateng pangkigani hairibani haibagi arthadi Bangladesh ta Awami government 2040 fawba leiraroi haibani Congress oigera BJP oigera Bangladesh ki Awami League sarkar khaktamak India na support tawi Bangladesh ki internal politics ta India na saunu yoksili basi handak US na India ki politics ta yoksilakpa adugumani India na Bangladesh ki politics ta tawruba adu amuk US na India ki politics ta tawbirakli bani ahanbada Congress ki matamda su Bangladesh Myanmar amadi India ki gas pipeline project pakhet kani tawrambada Khalida Jia sarkar tu bangai Sheikh Hasina ki Awami League government lakpa ngaiki akon bada gas pipeline project Myanmar na China Thailand ga oina pullaga tawki India na Bangladesh ta KNF mateng pangsinba aduga Khalida Jiana luchingba Bangladesh National Party na North East Insurgent Group ta mateng pangsinba kari khena balaibagi Sheikh Hasina ki Awami League government ki matamdadi North East Insurgent Group singda mateng pangidi 10 billion investment 5 billion loan offer tawraga Bangladesh na Northeast Insurgency Group support tawgadabagi maram karigino anisubada India's open regime policy Myanmar hosting Northeast Insurgent Groups Indo-Myanmar Joint Insurgency Operation Agreement ki matung ina Myanmar Northeast Insurgency Group sing punna takthok minadana lai Myanmar military junta ki matakta lan hauriba pro democracy resistance force PDF amadi EAOA singda Indiana Fong na mateng pangi haibasi Prithvi pumbana khangnaraba wafamni adu oiba taragadi North East Insurgency singda Myanmar military junta na mateng pangduna sizinaba kari kaige open regime policy hairiba asida open door open economy amadi open government policy yauribani India ki Myanmar thamliba open regime policy asida ona taina military junta government destabilize tawnanaba proxy war tawbani Manipur da masing yamlaba security personnel sing honjilakpa leptriba amadi Indo-Myanmar border da khillaga thamriba security personnel sing asibu Myanmar da gi drug trafficking tawpa thingnanaba public sing border lana sathok sasin tawba monitor tawnanaba thambani hairi India na kari tawri haibagi matangdadi parliament ta pandaba Myanmar amadi Bangladesh pu blame tawri Jai Shankar na diplomatic terminology khara hairaga maji ahibani Mana haikradi loina chumle khanjaba parliament MP singna Jai Shankar gi pakhumda harauna khuma khui India gi foreign policy asi Jai Shankar masana sembanate parliament yauna sembani haina Jai Shankar di masana nanthokre maramdi India gi foreign policy asi hauzik high risk ni all alliance policy nate no friend policy ni India foreign policy asi double standard oiba ngang ama lona tawbana ama miwa yamna ngangnabi mithinga yamna tawbi nupi ga pangkak ni hairi China amadi Pakistan natana atai neighboring countries singdi good relations thamnana bokhonari hauzik pawba China na India gi 38,000 square kilometer lam occupy tawduna leiri haina parliament ta external affairs minister na pongdamki adumakpu India China anigi bilateral talk tawnaduna border the peace hanjinba hauri hairi China na loksin kiba India gi lam 38 square kilometer hauzik pawba handokpa ngamdaba hairiba asi India Army gi moral handanaba politician singasin bani hairi India gi relation da yamna critical oiriba Bangladesh ta satadana Ajit Dobel 18 December 2024 da Beijing da chatli satpagi maramdi India China border da peace lainana bani Bangladesh Nepal di India da threat oide border dispute yamna laite aduna threat oiriba China gi relations pagananaba chahi manga gi matungda special representative meeting yawba Ajit Dobel gi ahanba Beijing khongchatni Russia gi Putin gi initiative amagi makada 23 October 2024 da Kazan pangthokkiba SCO gi sideline meeting amada India gi Prime Minister Narendra Modi amadi China gi President Xi Jinping ga yanakiba Indo-China border dispute ki warisin puraknaba wafam kharagi follow-up meeting ni Beijing da Ajit Doval gi khongchat aduk masina taklibadi Myanmar da thokliba lan asida Russia amadi China gi military Myanmar manung da thajilakadawriba asi India government advance knowledge lay India ki Myanmar manung da leiba project kaidanaba sideline da wari soidana sararamgani special representative meeting asida China amadi India matam chana communication tawnanaba bilateral trade phagananaba border areas sing the peaceful coexistence oiminanaba dialogue amadi consultancy ki kuthangda issue khudingmak khananaba wafam yanaki dialogue khudingmak step by step changsinanaba road map ama semgadawri ahanbagi oina Kailash Mansarovar Jatra Tibet Trans Border River Cooperation Nathula Border Trade Chain Sikkim gi data sharing gi wafam khanaki 2003 di semkiba special representative mechanism gi explore the framework of a boundary settlement asi round 23 wari sanakre adubu India China border dispute adum lairi border da military masen phunaba chainaba lan gi pawdi adum tari April June 2020 da Galwan Valley Demsong amadi Despang da sokna kiba lan adu ahobada China gi Xi Jinping amadi India gi Narendra Modi cabinet ta kiba nate approval laukiba laite military masen khanarakpadagi magi political leaders singna khamdokpagi mahut magi military da lan gi thauna hapkibani madu nattaba atopa lambi su political leaders singda laite framework agreement Portugal laijabagi wa khaktani military masen tension wangnarakpadadi Portugal framework agreement amata chanade aduna Chinese military na Myanmar manung da tarokadaba proxy war da China amadi India gi top official knowledge lairoi knowledge lairakpa matamda thinglubasu yaroi background da British period matamda India China boundary asi Jammu Kashmir Ladakh rom da thangba side ta Johnson line amadi MC Donald line ani na khaidoi aduga Arunachal Pradesh thangba side ta MC Mahon line na khaidoi 1865 the same kiba Johnson line dadi Aksai China si India ki side lai aduga 1893 the same kiba MC Donald line dadi Aksai China si China side ta chatkre 1899 da MC Carney McDonald line haidana British na propose tawba Aksai Chin gi lamgi dispute asi loishinana ba map ama yei Sinana map adugi response amuk phawu pirakhide maram aduna British na Johnson Ardak line asi traditional boundary ni haina thanami 1962 Indo-China war gi matungda MC Carney McDonald line dagi tangai ama hena China na India gi Askan Chin area control tawkhre Madugi matung border da land matek tawduna 2020 dadi yamlaba 2000 square kilometer amaga suloksen khre Karakaram pass tagi chomar phawbada leiba India gi patrolling point humphumanga gi manungda 26 patrolling point Indian Army na sangsin mangamtri adumakpu Jaisankar gi matung ina China gi dialogue tawnabagi Demsong amadi Dispang friction point singda temporary disengagement October 21 dagi tawba ngamkre hairi map ta thagat chariba adu yengbiyu Arunachal side ki India China border ase MC Mohan line khairi 1913 to 1914 da tawnakiba Simla Convention Treaty da Britain China amadi Tibet ki representative yawki adumakpu China di sign tawbu yawkide China na hauzik fawba Simla Treaty yadri matam aduda Tibet haiba asi China gi de facto government ni aduna Tibet government na tawkiba treaty adu chanararoi Arunachal Pradesh asi South Tibet ki part amani haina claim tawri makha satharakpada Kwakaitel 360 hairiba page asigi post ama khakloko charaga thamjage Gampi Faida Ngarangku ki volunteers singna Senapati District Student Association gi luching bakara pudarakre hairi makha satharakpada AT General Headquarter gi PRO oina thopubiriba Rubin Mangang Khairakpang gi page dagi post am khak thamjage mullaga sage khanganu niraga sasi istinausa nangi aigi mi waloi yaifaba numit oiminarasi haiba wafam thamlakli makha satharakpada hi yai komba news sariba page asigi post amani kakla chadaga aroi boina miyamda kudul tamjage National Highway 2 da lamdam asigi tangai fadana nongmada changdraba yadraba potchai puduna lakpa gari Sahumgo Budrani Toy Hairiba Lambi asida apanba yaudana pusilakre makhatana potchai pusilakpada khudongthiba thoktanabagi dabak chingringai oiba mafamsingda security force na kanba section tharang lokatki Manipur district punamakta pamdaba thodok thoktanabagi dabak chingamasung tamda puna checkpoint ꯆꯥꯝꯃꯒ ꯇꯔꯨꯛ ꯍꯥꯡꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯆꯠ ꯑꯋꯣꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯆꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯆꯠꯊꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤ ꯑꯔꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯛꯆꯤꯡ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜ ꯋꯦꯁ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡ ꯆꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯐꯌꯦꯡ ꯁꯣꯡꯂꯨꯡ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯆꯤꯔꯨ ꯑꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯁꯦꯀ꯭ꯌꯨꯔꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕ ꯀꯣꯝꯕꯥꯏꯟ ꯇꯤꯝ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯊꯤꯕ ꯍꯨꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯆꯠꯊꯕꯗ ꯈꯨꯠꯂꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯂꯣꯠꯁꯤꯟꯗꯨꯅ ꯊꯝꯂꯝꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯅꯤ ꯆꯤꯡꯅꯕ ꯀꯥꯞꯄ ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯔꯨ ꯑꯦꯁꯂꯔ 12 ꯑꯦꯁꯂꯔ ꯃꯦꯒꯖꯤꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯦꯁꯂꯔ ꯑꯦꯝꯇꯤ ꯀꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁ 34 ꯕꯦꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯔꯦꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯁꯦꯠ ꯑꯦꯟꯇꯦꯅꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯐꯌꯦꯡ ꯄꯣꯔꯣꯝ ꯆꯤꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯐꯒꯠꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤ ꯅꯥꯀꯜ ꯑꯃꯔꯣꯝꯗ AK ꯃꯤꯁꯐꯥꯌꯔ ꯑꯃ AK ꯑꯦꯝꯇꯤ ꯀꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁ 102 ꯑꯦꯁꯂꯔ ꯑꯦꯝꯇꯤ ꯀꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁ 2 ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯞ ꯕꯣꯔ ꯀꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯂꯣꯀꯦꯜ ꯃꯦꯠ ꯕꯣꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯣꯡꯂꯨꯡ ꯑꯦꯔꯤꯌꯥꯗꯒꯤ ꯐꯒꯠꯄ ꯉꯝꯂꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯒ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯦ